So Motorola just leaked the specs for their most affordable 2026 foldable, and I'm not gonna lie, these numbers are kind of ridiculous. We're talking up to 18 gigabytes of RAM, dual 50 megapixel cameras, and a price that could undercut Samsung by hundreds of dollars. Let me show you what's happening here. What's up, everyone? As one of the foldable market's strongest performers in 2025, both around the world and in key regions like the US, Motorola has clearly set a pretty high bar of expectations for this year as well. In addition to seeking a long overdue expansion to the Samsung-dominated book-style space, the Lenovo-owned brand will obviously continue to enrich and improve the clamshell Razr family with 3 2026 models. These are likely to officially come out in April if history is any indication, and after a little information about the Plus variant transpired earlier this week, a lot of details on the standard version are today making headlines. So this is the nearly complete Motorola Razr 70 spec sheet, and it comes from one of the most trustworthy possible sources, a regulatory agency in China. Starting with the displays, you've got a 6.9-inch primary OLED screen with 2640 by 1080 pixel resolution and a 3.63-inch secondary OLED panel with 1066 by 1056 pixel resolution. And although they definitely sound familiar, those two screens are great for a budget-friendly foldable. Now here's where it gets crazy. RAM options include 8 GB, 12 GB, 16 GB, and even 18 GB. Storage variants go from 128 GB all the way up to 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. That's pretty insane to think that Motorola is considering equipping what will be the humblest member of its 2026 Razr family with such state-of-the-art specs, even just in China. For cameras, you're getting a 50-megapixel primary rear-facing camera, a 50-megapixel secondary rear-facing camera, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. It appears that the Razr 70 will come with not one, but two 50-megapixel snappers on its back, which at least in theory could make for a more powerful imaging setup than that of the considerably costlier Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. The device packs an octa-core 2.75 GHz processor, most likely a MediaTek that won't be able to match the speed of the Z Flip 7's Exynos 2500. Like its 2025 predecessor, the Motorola Razr 2026 also looks set to eclipse the Z Flip 7 in the battery capacity department. Dimensions come in at 171.3mm by 73.9mm by 7.2mm when unfolded, and it weighs just 188 grams. Now, these specs are valid primarily for the Razr 70's impending Chinese version, but there's a very good chance European buyers will receive a similar treatment. The Razr 70 is also expected to be released in the US under a simpler Razr 2026 name, and that model is likely to share almost everything in common with its international siblings. One particularly mouth-watering detail that I don't expect to see transferred from China to either the old continent or the US is that 18GB RAM count, and American buyers are also unlikely to get the 16GB memory or 1TB storage. Here's the thing. The upgrades over the Razr 2025 aren't exactly mind-blowing. See, that's the problem when you tend to make very few compromises in your mission to challenge the juggernauts of today's mobile industry. You don't leave enough room for upgrades in future generations unless you're willing to substantially bump up the prices. Because I don't expect that to happen with the Razr 2026, which will likely start at the same $699.99 price as the Razr 2025, I can certainly appreciate Motorola's effort to improve the rear-facing camera system at the very least during these challenging times for all smartphone vendors. Should you wait for the Razr 70? If you're thinking of getting a new clamshell-type foldable phone and aren't exactly sold on the value proposition of the Galaxy Z Flip 7, then absolutely. Keep in mind that the Razr 70 will most likely be joined by even higher-end Razr 70 Plus and Razr 70 Ultra models, with the US market almost certainly getting Razr 2026, Razr Plus 2026, and Razr Ultra 2026 equivalents with super premium designs and competitive prices. I'm definitely hyped up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and hit subscribe for more coverage. Peace out.